Hey, how's it going, guys? I recently bought some LED bulbs that I found. They're by a company called LASFIT. I have them in my 4Runner, which you see sitting next to my Audi here. I've been using those for about 2 years and they haven't given me any problems. So I found out they make a set of H1s that are a factory fit. So I decided to buy them and give them a try on my Audi and the RS2 headlights. So RS2 headlights use H1s in the low beams and the high beams. So currently, right now in this video, the H1 halogens are still in there. I've been using Sylvania Silverstars for quite some time now, several years, and I've been happy with them. But with all this HD technology that's been out for quite some time, I figured it was time to give some LEDs a shot. So LASFIT, I believe they're made in China, like a lot of other things these days. But they're very good quality compared to some other brands that I've tried. Here's what they look like. They have the standard H1 bases. They're a little bit bulkier, of course, than the standard H1 bulb. Here's them side by side. So as you can see, they're just a touch longer in length. But going in, they didn't really pose any problem. They went right in their spot and don't make contact with anything in these particular headlights. So I installed them just like normal and put the wire and factory plug on the back and put the dust cover back on, and there's no interference. And so I'm really happy about that. I was unsure if they would fit in these headlights when I purchased them, but I figured why not give it a shot. So here's with the LASFIT LEDs installed, and my low beam projectors are on right now. Those outside lights, I'm gonna have to get some LEDs for those because they basically look like amber now. Those outer lights on the headlights definitely don't match anymore. So this is low beams on. High beams. A little bit of light leak there. Might need to re-aim my lights a bit, but. So these LEDs from LASFIT, they come with a 45-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year warranty. They come with a 6,000 K temperature rating, so they're going to be white and not that goofy blue or purple. I paid for these with my own money. I did not get them for free. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check them out.